Hi, so you might have the same problem with me. So the images are not showing. Even if I check the file manager, the images are visible, but but it's not showing here in the website. Also, the permission is also I can upload pictures, but so this is already fixed, but a while ago these images are all white and I can upload image, but it's not showing. It's just a white image. So to fix that one, go to your file manager and then try to go to your uploads and then check the permission. Make sure that it has the same check mark, so 75775, and then you might also check that also change the permission here, this one 775, and you might also check that if it has HT access. So while if you see this one, deny from all, please remove that one. You can just remove that one, and that will surely fix the issue. So okay, so that's all. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.